All right, let's keep going. It's fun to measure length. Now, Eve wants to measure the length of her chew bar. She looks really excited about that. I wonder what object she'll use to measure the length of her chew bar. Oh, it says here she decides she's going to measure the length using cubes. I remember these cubes from before. Okay, Eve, remember, don't leave gaps or spaces between them. 1, 2, okay, I think she's finished. She's lined them all up. They're all the same size. So now we can see that Eve's chew bar is 4 cubes long. So Eve says, I know my chew bar is 4 cubes long, but I want to measure it more accurately. Accurately. What could she use that would make it more accurate? What have you used to measure with? Oh, Eve is going to use a ruler. And I can see what Eve did here. Eve put the chew bar beginning at 0 so she could measure how long the chew bar is. She's only using one object, and it's a ruler. So how can we find out how long the chew bar is? Well, she started at 0, and the chew bar went all the way up to 8. 8. Oh, and I can see that this is a ruler of centimeters. So the chew bar is 8 centimeters long. Interesting. Oh, hey, Mo. Mo's thinking, I wonder how long my pencil is. Oh, Mo says, please will you help me? Should we help him? Of course we should. Okay, Mo, you could use a few different ways. You could measure it with objects that are all the same size and make sure that you had no spaces between them. Or you could use a ruler. Do you want to use a ruler? Perfect. Let's take a look at that pencil. Mo has placed the pencil so that it begins at 0, and now we need to take a look. Where does the pencil end? What number on the ruler shows how long the pencil is? Can you see? Exactly. The pencil is 10 long. Oh, be careful. The pencil is 10 centimeters long because we're measuring with centimeters. I hope that helps, Mo. Okay, we're measuring with rulers again. Well, actually, I'm going to get you to measure with rulers. I want you to pause here. See if you can figure out how long each item is. When you're ready, come back and we'll check our answers. Great. Let's take a look at the pink blocks at the top. How long are the pink blocks? 5 centimeters. Good job. How about the carrot? How long is the carrot? Did you say 9 centimeters? Super. And finally, the ant at the bottom. How long is the ant? Well, the ant is only 2 centimeters long. Super job. Okay, it says Jack and Annie have each made a tower using cubes. Oh, that's always fun. So there's Jack's tower, and there's Annie's yellow tower. Oh, Annie says, my tower is taller because I used more cubes. Let's take a look. What do you think? I guess the only way to prove it is to measure it. So let's take a look at Jack's blue tower of cubes. We begin at 0, and we can see that the tower goes all the way up to the number 12. So Jack's tower is 12 centimeters. Let's measure Annie's. Annie's tower begins at 0 and ends on the number 8. So her yellow tower is 8 centimeters. Well done. So, is Annie's tower taller because she used more blocks? No. Jack's tower is taller than Annie's tower, but we had to measure to check. Wow, we're at the end of this lesson.